Which word sounds more polite? A. Open the door. B. Door, please. C. Open door now. Or D. Could you open the door? Which word means very good? A. Bad. B. Excellent. C. Slow. D. Cheap. Which word do people say when something is funny? A. Sorry. B. Haha. C. Goodbye. D. Please. Which word means begin? A. End. B. Finish. C. Start. D. Close. Which word fits best? I'm of the dark. A. Scary. B. Fear. C. Afraid. D. Afraid too. Which word is closest to angry? A. Happy. B. Calm. C. Mad. D. Tired. Which word fits I'm good English? A. In. B. On. C. At. D. For. Which word means stop trying? A. Continue. B. Win. C. Rest. D. Give up. Which word fits best? Let's a plan. A. Do. B. Make. C. Take. D. Give. Which sentence is the most polite in formal English? A. I want your help. B. Help me now. C. Can you help me? D. Would you mind helping me? All right, that's the end of today's quiz. How did you do? If you got 10 out of 10, amazing. Your English is really strong. If you got 8 or 9, great job. You're doing very well. And even if you got fewer, don't worry at all. every question you try makes your English better. Now it's your turn. Write your score in the comments. I'm reading them, and I want to see who got a perfect score today. If you enjoyed this kind of fun English learning, don't forget to like the video. It really helps the channel. And if you want more quizzes, more real-life English, and more fun ways to improve your English, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. In the next episode, we'll have new questions, new challenges, and even harder English. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!